iPhone users, ever wanted to watch your favorite YouTube videos on your iPhone, but they're only on your computer? We've got you covered. Here's how to get those videos onto your iPhone in just a few steps. Method 1. How to put videos on iPhone with iOS transfer. iTunes is regarded as the default way to transfer data on the iPhone. But as we all know, iTunes will cause the risk of iPhone data loss when using it to transfer data to iPhone. To add videos to your iPhone using iOS transfer, connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Open iOS transfer and wait for your iPhone to be detected. Select videos in the menu, then click plus and choose Add File or Add Folder to import videos. Find and select the videos on your computer, then click Open to start the transfer. Method 2. Add movie to iPhone from PC with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes manually. If it is not launched automatically, click File, Add to Library on the menu bar. Choose the videos on your computer and add them to the iTunes library. Click your iPhone under the Devices section and choose Movies under the Summary tab. Then, click Sync Movies. Select the video files you want to put onto your iPhone and click Apply. Method 3. How to put movies on iPhone with iCloud. Sign into iCloud.com on your PC with your Apple ID. Upload videos to Photos or Cloud Drive. On your iPhone, open Photos or iCloud Drive to access the videos. Download the videos to your iPhone. Method 4. How to add videos to iPhone with Dropbox. Open Dropbox on your PC. Go to Files, My Files, Upload Files to add videos. On your iPhone, open the Dropbox app and sign in with the same account. Access and download the videos from Dropbox to your iPhone. Method 5. How to get videos on iPhone with VLC. Install VLC on your iPhone and open it. Enable sharing via Wi-Fi and note the IP address. On your computer, enter the IP address in a browser. Drag and drop videos to the browser page to transfer them to your iPhone. Method 6. How to put videos on iPhone with AirDrop. Navigate to the Finder app on your Mac to get started. Find AirDrop in the sidebar or select Go AirDrop from the Finder menu bar. Turn on Bluetooth if it is not already activated. Your iPhone should appear as a nearby device in the AirDrop interface. Make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone for AirDrop to work properly. Drag and drop the video file from your Mac onto the iPhone device icon in the AirDrop window.